outrigger and boom, position lights. Check.
おはようございます。ヒロです。今日の作業はあそこの、屋根にですねガラスを張ります。で今クレーンを設置しているところですが、ちょっと足が全部出ないですね。ちょっと穴を掘って広げます。ガラスの重さが110キロで、その釣り具がだいたい今3、40キロなので150キロですね。実はここは、20トンラフターで、仕事に前来たことありますけども、今日は私はクレーンオペレーターではなくドグマンで、今日のドライバーは、シルバーっていうねおじさんです。作業を開始します。 OK、 Silver, hoist up through left please, about 90 degrees through left. Yeah, good height through left. One more through is pretty much. Just hoist down please. I got the tag. Keep hoist down 3 more meters and steady up. Hold please. Okay, keep hoist down please. 500 to the ground. Touch one end. Looking good. Lose the weight and hold. Hoist down please, couple hundred, hoist down and hold. Okay, Silver, hoist up please, 500. You got it. Yeah, a bit more through right. Hold the hoist. Hold the through.
Grab a sucker. Grab one. I'll just grab a sucker.
Okay, Silver, all yours. Just through left bit, please. Through left about 2 meters. Through left. I'm gonna hold that.
Yeah.
Okay, Silver, slowly hoist up, please. Yeah, around there. Through the hold through. Boom down, hoist up. Maybe 4 meters. So he normally drove 100, so too small for him.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just a bit slow. Okay, Silver, just a little bit. Boom down, please. Boom down. Couple hundred and hold that. Okay, Silver, very steady. Hoist down, please. Very steady.
Yeah, we'll block the tag.
Hold.
Oh, yeah.
No weight now. No weight.
Beautiful.
Nice. Happy days?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Okay, Silver, slowly hoist up, please. Slowly. Yep. Good to go. Excellent. Yeah, all yours. Okay, Silver, hoist up, please. Hoist up and boom down. Yeah, looking good. Slow down. Boom down. And hold through. Just look too much. Keep boom down. Another meter. And hold. Just come down the hoist. 100 or 500. Okay, a little bit more. Come down the hoist, please. 100 and hold. Come down the hoist, please. Nearly there.
Yep.
Lose the weight. Excellent. Crash. Yeah, thank you. Lose the weight. Well done.
Well done.